Totola. Here I come again. There's a time to win and a time to lose. A time to contemplate the direction one must choose. In the theater of life, we all have roles to play. When the curtain calls, we have to listen and obey. Some leaders live by the philosophy they are Lord were born to lead. So they cling to power in their dying breath, define the laws of mortality. When ability to reason and rationalize is misguided in the quest for power, never mindful of the fact that time is man's worst enemy. Legacy, as the river to the sea, everything in life has its course. Eventually, legacy is the choice you should have made 4 years ago. You elected a deputy with pomp and so much play. You rode upon that wave to win the election, the very same year. 4 years on the road, the deputy became non-essential. And from within there was a plot to remove her. All on your legacy. Can you feel me? Alai, alai. There's a time to reap and a time to sow. A time to reminisce on your accomplishments and failures. Some live their lives of fortune and fame. As the day comes into night, they find it hard to adapt to change. The legendary Muhammad Ali, some say the greatest of all time, crippled by a disease cause he fought way beyond his prime. A man once invincible, now a shadow of his legacy. He was never mindful of the fact that time is man's worst enemy. Yes, sir. Legacy, as the river to the sea, everything in life has its course. Eventually, legacy is the choice you should have made 4 years ago. The budget in deficit, London sent a loan from the CDB. Colonialism in reverse as they threaten to review our financial purse. Still no hospital, why the green in the greenhouses and millions is spent by water, still can't find a drop of water. All on your legacy. Here I come again. There's a time to build up and a time to break down. A time for consideration for the future of this land. Ralphie, you've served us well, no one can disagree. But it's all reality, there must be finality. You claim that there is no one fit enough to take the reins away from you. After so many years in charge, you should have found a leader or even two. Gravity pass the baton to you, but you won't let it from your grasp. That is a sad but true indictment. All on your legacy. As the river to the sea, everything in life has its course. Eventually, legacy is the choice you should have made 4 years ago, but you chose not to. I hear Sister Joyce proclaim you the great man of power. But just the other day, she was begging for Lori to take over. No, Lori ain't get no votes, cause he lacked the money and influence. I hear that was passing out white envelopes. Ralphie, under your legacy. Here I come again. Blow! I got something for you. There's a time for conviction, time to compromise, a time to unify, and a time to ostracize. If the role of Calypso is a voice for the oppressed, I find it contradictory. Calypsonians who tolerate injustice. They have some Calypsonians who will sell their soul to win the crown. They lack basic integrity, they're only trying to pull each other down. Hey, those songs belong in elementary, sharing voice screaming for melody. They find it hard to win again. Tell them, under my legacy. Divide and conquer was the plan, but I will never turn my back on my fellow Calypsonians. In solidarity we stand, solid as a rock. The MB got the position, but I hear is the woman pulling the strings. If it was up to the committee, Calypsonians will never get a damn thing. Festival time is here again, and MB, I need some money for rent. They will never disrespect Calypso again. Not them, under my legacy. Oh.